Greetings, everyone. By God's will, we are starting a series comparing motorcycles because I've noticed many people asking and comparing different brands and types. So we're going to create a series about this topic. In today's video, we'll compare the Hogan F250 and Benelli VLM. Price comparison. Hogan F250. The price is between 18,500 Egyptian pounds to 20,000 Egyptian pounds. This is the average price depending on the dealership. Benelli VLM, the price is between 21,500 Egyptian pounds to 23,000 Egyptian pounds. This price can increase if it's rare in the market. Speed comparison. Before buying a motorcycle, many people are concerned about speed. Hogan F250, the speed ranges from 120 to 130 kilometers per hour. The maximum speed will depend on the road conditions. We've done a video showing the motorcycle speed on the channel. Feel free to check it out. Motor specifications. Hogan F250 has a 250cc engine, as claimed by the catalog and dealerships. The engine runs smoothly without any issues, and it uses a chain for the drivetrain. Cooling is air-cooled, no oil or water cooling. Benelli VLM, similar engine size, 250cc, but it has a different cooling system with oil circulation for better heat regulation. It also uses a shaft for the drivetrain, which makes the engine sound different, slightly louder. Tires. Hogan F250, the rear tire has a width of 130 millimeters, and the front tire is 90 millimeters. Benelli, the tire sizes are similar, but the Benelli has rougher tread patterns, which help with speed and road grip. Suspension. Hogan F250 standard suspension with regular shock absorbers. Benelli VLM inverted front suspension, seen in high-end Japanese bikes, offering better road stability and a smoother ride, especially on rough terrains. Both motorcycles have good rear shock absorbers, but the Benelli offers slightly superior quality. Top speed. Hogan F250 maximum speed ranges from 120 km per hour to 135 km per hour. Benelli VLM maximum speed is around 110 km per hour to 120 km per hour, slightly lower than the Hogan. Stability on the road. Benelli VLM, the bike is heavier, which helps it remain stable on the road. In addition, the inverted suspension contributes to better handling. Hogan F250, it's good, but the VLM takes the lead in this category due to its overall stability. Build quality. Benelli VLM, the build quality is better with higher grade materials, especially in the fiber parts and overall design. Hogan F250, while functional, the build quality is not as premium as the Benelli, but it still gets the job done for its price range. Spare parts availability. Both motorcycles have similar spare parts available in the market. However, the Hogan F250 has some parts, like the engine, that are cheaper due to its compatibility with other Chinese motorcycles. Benelli VLM spare parts for the Benelli are also available, but the prices for some components, such as the front suspension, may be a bit higher. Design and appearance. Hogan F250 has an aggressive and sporty design with winglets on the tank. It looks more like a racing motorcycle. Benelli VLM, a more classic look, which is also good, but not as striking as the Hogan. The design is simpler, but still stylish. Final recommendation. Hogan F250. If you prioritize speed and sporty looks, the Hogan F250 is the right choice. It's a better option for those who like to ride fast and aggressively. Benelli VLM, if you care more about build quality, stability, and reliability for long-term use, the Benelli VLM is the better option. It's ideal if speed isn't your top priority and you want a bike that will last with better overall quality. Summary. Speed, the Hogan F250 is faster. Stability, the Benelli VLM is more stable. Build quality, the Benelli VLM has better materials and craftsmanship. Price, the Hogan F250 is cheaper. Spare parts, both are well supported in the market, but Hogan's parts can sometimes be cheaper. If speed is your main concern, go with the Hogan F250. If you want better overall quality and stability, go with the Benelli VLM. Conclusion. This was a quick comparison between the two motorcycles. I hope it helped clarify things for you. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments and I'll respond as soon as possible. Peace and blessings be upon you.